walks the night last, floating words in busy dusk, figures moving long drawn night, feelings taking quick flight. Your voice agitated, eyes wild, moments passing running wild, whispers losing tangled haze. Love slips through in quiet days, through the window dark and deep, silent stories, shadows keep, cozy corner where we live, chill and dream till break of day. Timeless hours softly melt, lingering in what we felt, whisper secrets tender tongue. In this space we're not alone, through the window dark and deep, silent stories, shadows keep, cozy corner where we live, chill and dream till break of day. Through the window dark and deep, silent stories, shadows keep, cozy corner where we live, chill and dream till break of day. Toss drums as night grows old, wrapped in warmth our souls unfold. In the stillness we reside, chilled out rhythm side by side. Through the window dark and deep, silent stories, shadows keep, cozy corner where we live, chill and dream till break of day. Through the window dark and deep, silent stories, shadows keep, cozy corner where we live, chill and dream till break of day. Toss drums as night grows old, wrapped in warmth our souls unfold. In the stillness we reside, chilled out rhythm side by side.
Adults say younger, small as a mayfly, they laugh and roll their eyes. They just don't know why. Ridiculous to regret it, but they never felt this way. Sky is high and thick again. In your arms I wanna stay. You are all I have in this big wide world, but I just don't have the courage to tell you you're my love. Walk these streets together, hand in hand each night. They say it won't last forever, but this feels so right. You are all I have in this big wide world, but I just don't have the courage to tell you you're my love. Go ahead, they say, go ahead, take your time, but I'm scared to lose you in the silent rhyme. say, go ahead, take your time. But I'm scared to lose you in the silent ride.